Cardinal, could a migrant or migrant family?
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got another radio that my good friend and longtime supporter Thomas sent me. This is the PRUNUS J-03. And you know, in the times when we've got all these applications and touch screens and constant notifications and all this stuff going on, we need to get back to the basics. And this radio is back to the basic, and it does a great job. First thing you know, it's not a pocket radio. This radio, let me just get my little measuring tool here and see if I know how to use it. It is approximately 8 inches by 5 inches by about 2 inches. So not a pocket radio. It is a portable radio. Does have a carrying handle, which I can't get up. Oh gosh. There we go. It's got a little spot there. You can grab it. It won't go up right now because you got to put the telescopic antenna down and out of the way, and then the handle comes up. So there you go. It runs on AC, comes with an AC cord. So it's got a built-in AC adapter, or it runs on 4 AA batteries. No internal rechargeable battery. This is your basic radio. Big speaker, full volume, and high quality audio. AM and FM. Did I say AM and FM? It's AM and FM. No shortwave, no Bluetooth, no MP3. It's your basic radio. There it is, right there. The dial is huge, easy to read, white lettering on black background, a big tuning bar there. Tunes really smooth, really smooth. And I didn't notice any muting while tuning. So this is getting back to basic stuff. The plastic looks really good, really smooth. All the pieces fit very well. Very nice plastic. Got a power button down here. And performance, AM and FM reception is excellent. Yes. Let me show you a close-up. There you go. Oh, look at the reflection. Sorry about that reflection. There's the tuning dial. There's a headphone jack. There's volume on-off. That's it. Telescopic antenna is about 20 inches. And you can say that this is also an emergency radio. It doesn't have NOAA, but it has your AM and FM band, which when weather conditions are bad, they will give you reports about what's going on. You can typically use it on AC, but if your power goes off, you got the battery backup. I think it's a pretty good radio. Let me just turn it on here. Got a user's manual that I love PRUNUS has made large print. I love it. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Bring this over here. We'll turn it on. We're on FM, so we got to be careful about music. We'll put this down so we can extend this easily. You can extend it with a handle up. A handle does, the antenna does swivel, but it's pretty stiff, so you have to be a little careful. You don't break it off. Okay, there is fully extended. Turn it on. Okay, that's whoa. Let me turn this back down. What I had there initially was the Tampa station that's about 40 miles from me that I used as a reference testing reception. And it was receiving that fine. Unfortunately, they just started playing music, so I had to tune off of it. I'll tune the FM band extremely fast because there's mostly music this time of day.
Active event. Everyone thinks it will work.
I think people look to television for, more passive
That's
experience,
the station in
for
Tampa.
a more active experience.
James Poniewozik
Very
is
clear.
the New York Times' chief TV critic. He says the return of Star Search reveals bifurcation.
Picking up a lot of stations, mostly music.
With long-lasting body pain relief so you can achieve your goal.
That's what I need.
Call 1-800.
So let's go to AM. Now it probably wants me to face it this way. We'll just test that. And the reason being is the built-in ferrite antenna needs to be perpendicular to where the stations are, which are that direction. Let's just see. No, it actually likes this better. No, yeah. He likes that. You're getting a little hum interference when it's faced the wrong direction. Doing a great job picking up stations. It's got the standard US bands for FM and AM. AM starting at 520, going to 1710. FM starting at 87, going to 108. I want to thank Thomas for sending me this radio. It's your basic, easy-to-use radio. No learning curve. I struggled with some of these new radios with all the menus and everything. This is just straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And have a great day. Bye-bye.